I'm Leo Page here at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to show you aboard our new trade-in, a 2015 Sun Tracker 20-foot fishing barge. So we start here on the rear of the boat. You'll see it's powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke outboard with low hours and with recent service done. You'll see here the boat has a built-in live well. Also has rod storage here, a movable fishing seat. As we come around to the helm, you'll see the nice high back bucket seat, Bluetooth audio system, ergonomically laid out helm with easy access to all your switches. As we come around to the bow, you have additional seating here, 2 additional fishing seats, more rod storage, more cup holders. Boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor. As we look around here, we'll see a nice big L-shaped setting for your passengers. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me directly at 407-394-7623.